There's this simple snack combo I absolutely love, almonds and dark chocolate. Now, I'm not just talking about a guilty pleasure. There's actually some real science behind why this pair packs such a powerful punch for your health. First up, almonds. These little guys are loaded with healthy fats, vitamin E, and magnesium. They boost your heart health, keep your skin glowing, and even help you stay full longer. Not bad for something so tiny, right? But here's where things get even more interesting. When you add dark chocolate, especially the kind that's at least 70% cocoa, you're adding antioxidants called flavonoids. These help fight inflammation, improve blood flow, and can even give your mood a little lift. Plus, let's be honest, it's chocolate. That's already a win. But the real magic happens when you bring almonds and dark chocolate together. The healthy fats from almonds help your body absorb the antioxidants from chocolate even better. It's like they're teaming up for your benefit. Plus, the crunch of almonds with the smoothness of chocolate? Total game changer. So next time you're craving a snack, skip the candy bar. Grab a handful of roasted almonds, break up some dark chocolate, and mix them together. It's a treat that satisfies your sweet tooth while actually doing your body good. Who knew that something so delicious could also be so good for you? Try it out and let your health and your taste buds thank you.
Kindly like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more healthy diets tips.